morning, good afternoon and good night wherever you are watching. I'm a bit, I should be at the track right now, but me and my wife, we're having a baby and I booked the baby shower. I said, yep, the 11th or 10th, whatever the date is today. I was like, yeah, today will be sweet, not a problem, all good. And then like the next day after, I was like, sweet, all good. I found out that the Rayleigh round 1 is on this same weekend, so a bit of a stitch up for me. But however, I'm going effectively tomorrow. As right now I'm filming is Saturday, so I'm going Sunday morning. But I'm gonna be we're gonna be leaving very early in the morning, so I'm keen. Car is basically loaded up. I was actually mentioning to some of the boys yesterday when I was loading up, and I'm like, you know when you've drifted for a long time and you've got everything loaded up and you think you're ready, but you know you're not ready, because you know when you think you're ready, you're not ready? Well, that's kind of that. So on my way home, I was like, oh yeah, forgot this, forgot that. All right, cool. So I'm gonna have to go get that today. But nonetheless, longest intro on the planet. This is Rayleigh, round 1. Yeah, we'll do a bit of a trip down, little snippets here and there. Yeah.
What's up, baby? Oh, what the hell? There goes the tire.
We're here, guys. We're here. Took us just a little bit. We had to stop and wash the car, as you've seen. Wash the car, pulled it on the dirt road. It's a shame. Council's got to sort out the road entering to the racetrack. So I think I was talking to one of the blokes there. They should be getting fixed very soon. So that's exciting. But this is currently our setup. Trav's there helped me. Trav, aka Stirrer. Yeah, so we're just getting some spaces on the front, getting the exhaust on, and chucking a little bit of tow out on the front, so it steers better. And yeah, other than that, quite a few people, which is good. I'm actually glad that Rayleigh's kind of come back a bit, so it's pretty sick for grassroots to kind of still be going. So that's what really I want to work on for like this coming year, is getting more and more grassroots people drifting again. Not just once a year. So yeah, but yeah, hear about these things, guys, go support it. Like Isaiah Motorsports is gonna go, so yeah. Trav's over here doing the thing. You looking for the spaces?
Yeah.
The ones that are right there. Tire pressure's down because that was so slippery.
Here we go, James. Dan Kelsey, AA House,
shame there was dirt on that. I don't know how well that was. That was the gym workout. Oh my gosh. I'm generally puffed. That could be because I'm unfit, or it was a very difficult lap. 2 laps. Bit of both, but damn. The tyres that I have are just super. They're actually quite grippy, but not that grippy for this track. Like between Ray Lee here and Archie, very different track compounds. I was definitely abusing the crap out of it, so yes, we'll see how we go battles. That was 2 qualifying runs, so we'll see what we qualify. I was a bit late for qualifying, as obviously I could be here yesterday, which was Saturday, as we had baby things, so I'm glad that they could come and let us catch up. So I don't want to be that person where you come to an event and they're like, oh, just rock up on the second day when it's the most important. Normally I'm here like both days, but I just couldn't be there for this one. So we'll find out what happens. I am so puffed I don't even know what to say. Holy dolly. Oh man. So guys, kind of funny, but I qualified 5th. And because there's been a couple car breakages in the field, I've actually got a bye run straight to top 4. So, what can I say? Pure skill getting into top 4. No, it's a little bit unfortunate. Well, there's not as many there's a lot of amateur guys, pro amateur guys. They could literally be, if you're watching, you could be in pro. So jump into pro, man. Fill it up. Make a bit more competition, because it's really not about winning. Like obviously, getting into top 4 like this doesn't take any skill. So it's funny, but I'd rather be battling someone. But anyway, I'm in top 4, so I better put my game face on, you know. Don't want to be a threat. Yeah, boy. Parade lap, I'll give you a parade. I don't know if anyone saw that, but damn son, that was hard. Battle for first and second in the sock. AU, let's go.
I guess that made you.
Hey, win! And reliability. Oh, how's that, ladies and gentlemen? The AU1 Pro Class. Obviously, unfortunate for Ronnie Lang, he broke a dodgy LCA and ripped his whole front straight out yesterday. So that kind of put him out. So I actually got a buy run into top 4. Then I versed Riley Sutton in his 31. I sound like I'm maybe puffed right now, but I'm pretty sure I'm still puffed from the battle before. Because, oh my gosh, his car was quite slower, which was surprisingly weird. And I was puffed. And then I versed Tristan, and he was sick, but he had just a sketchy lead. But I did have a little error coming down the bottom of the turn there, but he actually at the same time his lower upper control arm on the back snapped. Could have been maybe from when he kind of went a bit wide in the other turn. I reckon it would have been a rerun, just because I've judged here before, so I kind of like got an idea. Other than that, sick battle actually. AU's actually quite fast with those fetties running at 15 pound. These tyres are super grippy at Archie. Over here, wow, very slippery. So surprisingly, the AU has come through and just, yeah, I'm actually super impressed with the car. It's actually felt the best this car's ever felt now. Like doing the little tweaks, doing a little bit of toe out as I get here and then towing it back in. Like that's just like there's little things you got to do, but it's that much better. So super pumped. First in pro, wife will be proud. Keeps paying me out about my AU. Yeah. Obviously, look, if I was probably versing Ronnie Lang like I was meant to, I probably wouldn't be up here. But I guess you got to build the car right as well. So building a car and driving and power are all different things. So anyway, that's it for that. I might try and get some footage of just some other guys mucking around. Throw it in there just for the extra spice. But yeah, I had a good time. So after this presentation and then do some more skids. Yeah, boy. Effectively, why I won was not of driving. Like I said, it's meant to be connected to there. That's very unfortunate because they don't ever really break there. So. Anyway, that's the damage. Commodore drivers. Oh wait. Oh, it's not a Commodore, S15 Monaro. Blew a shaft.
Broke a drive shaft.